Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can contact the UKVI, that is the UK Visa and Immigration Office. Well, so many people, students, visitors are experiencing, huge visa delays, and it seems that contacting the UK Visa and Home and Immigration, office might help. But some people don't know how to do that. So I'm going to show you how to contact them via the email and then via phone call. So let us start. So you're gonna go to your browser and type in UK Visa and Immigration. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, you always definitely have to select a link that shows www.gov.uk. Let's go with this. And then this can come. You can go to home for any information you want. What do I mean by home? I mean, when I say you can go to home, you can go here if you want to not do anything but contact them. Let's get their contact here down here. I mean, every page you go to, provided it's for the home office. When I say home office, I mean UKVI contact. Find contact details for services: universal credit, driving licenses and car tax, HM revenue customs, passport advice and complaints, student finance England, job center plus, UK visa and immigration. Yes, I'm contacting them about this, so I'll go for that. Contact UK visas and immigration for help. Yes, find contact details. Where are you contacting UKVI from? Outside the UK? Yeah, next step. What do you need help with? Applying for settled or pre-settled status, using the UK immigration, using the EU exit, accessing UK visas and immigration account, or updating your account details, applying for British citizenship and nationality, viewing and proving your immigration status, right to work or right to rent online, applying for a frontier work permit or service provider from Switzerland visa, Ukraine family scheme visa, Ukraine sponsorship scheme, something else. Next step. What language do you want to use? English, definitely. I don't think anybody in your home office can understand Luganda. Help with your visa application or other visas. Any inquiries? Yes. Here we are. So you can contact them online. You can just click here and you go to the page where you're gonna be filling in all the information, and we're gonna go there. Or you can contact them by phone. But what's my advice? My advice is you probably do both. Of course, when you call them, they'll ask for an email address where they'll be sending you the updates. So when you call them via a phone, you'll have to pay 69 pence per minute, but that is charged separately. And before the call goes through, you'll have to put in your credit card or debit card details. On top of that, you'll be charged in your country. So you are paying twice. That's how expensive it is to reach the home office. And if not that, you're going to use the email, as I'm going to show you. So let's go for that. This is their number. Just use this number to call them and then select option 1. I think the second one will be option 2, then option 1, something like that. Yeah. So once you hear the option you like, don't delay, because they end up taking so much money. But it's really important also for you to listen clearly. Yeah, so what you have to know, it's expensive. Yeah, unless you're a rich person there. You contact UK Visas and Immigration Office. Yeah, let's contact them here via the email. Start. But I mean, if it's really urgent, call them instead. You can call them 24 hours, Monday to Friday. But the thing is that before the phone goes through, it takes some time. In my case, it took about 3 minutes. So you have to be patient. Anyway, they are so busy working on so many people. What do you expect? So there are about 4 steps: confirm details, payment amount, payment details, and then confirmation. And yeah, you have to, write all this information. So here we have put in all the information that's required. Yeah, English, first name, Julia, family name, Nabuto, email address, that one, place where I applied, Kampala. Then a yes. This is the inquiry I've put in. Dear Sir or Madam, I hope this email finds you well. Space. I am reaching out to know about the status of my visa application. I am worried that I may lose my place if I do not send my visa decision to the university by the 30th of October. Also, I am to lose my accommodation if I do not update them by 25th of October. I am really worried, and I will appreciate it if I get to hear from you. Thank you so much. Kind regards. Your name. Billing address, Kampala, and then the country, Uganda. Then from here, you can say, continue. I mean, in this message, it depends on what you want to put in, but please, put in any information that you feel you're comfortable with. Yeah. The most important thing is to show them why you need an update as soon as possible, indicating what your university has told you, what you might lose, and all that. So, yeah, indicate all those reasons so that you know this is really urgent. Yeah, then continue. Oh, we forgot to put in the application number. Okay, we have to put in there. Okay. 9. Yeah. So let me just use this as the application number. And then, are you the applicant? Yes. Type of the visa applied for, student. Nationality, Ugandan. Perfect. And then date of birth, you can say maybe 20th July 1990. The date you submitted your biometrics, that was maybe, let me use mine, 26/08/2022. And then you can put in the passport number. And then when you pay the health insurance, you get a number. So yeah, let's use this number for instance. And then email address used on application, different from above. No, they're the same. So we have put in all the information that's needed. And now we are going to press continue. Payment amount. We aim to respond to your email in 5 working days. If you do not select submit, your inquiry will not be completed and you will not be charged. For more contact options, please visit this. You're just going back there. You will be charged £2.74 for this email inquiry. But the good thing is that once you send this first email, all the other emails that come after this are not charged. So that's an advantage of having an email. If you do a paid inquiry in time, this is better. Yeah, but even a phone call is really good. Yeah. Yes, and here you put in your card details. Yeah, and then after you say pay. And yeah, I think depending on the card you use, they will send you a code. You'll be putting in the code, and then you'll be saying submit. And if it doesn't show payment successful, then just know that hasn't been processed. It must show payment successful. Yeah. That's all I can. I don't want to put in my card details, and I can't continue without putting in correct card details. So I will stop here. Yeah, but it's very easy, self-explanatory. If you're applying for the UK visa to go in the UK, there's no you can fail to complete this. But here we are just confirming details, and then when you press submit, it will say payment successful. If that page doesn't come, just know there is a problem, so you have to repeat the process. And after that, you will immediately receive an email that indicates that they've received your inquiry. Thank you for contacting UKVI. Your inquiry is now being reviewed and we aim to respond within 5 working days. Thank you, UK Visas and Immigration. So when any staff member responds to your inquiry, you will receive another email that will be like, "Dear somebody, your query to UKVI reference number has been updated. We've added a reply to your query. To add additional comments, reply to this email." So after getting, their response, if it's not satisfactory or you want to inquire more about the issue, just, respond to this email and continue. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Good luck.